Alright guys, it's time to talk garage doors. This little thing right here is probably the easiest and cheapest fix for your garage door to reduce the squeaking and loudness whenever you open and close your garage door. The best part is you can install this on any garage door in under 5 minutes. Let's talk about it and I'll show you guys exactly how. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thank you guys. And for all my long-time subscribers, welcome back. Listen, in terms of bang for your buck, if you guys deal with garage door noise, you definitely want to pick up a set of these hinge sleeves. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what these things are and how to install them to reduce garage door noise. And trust me, it makes a big difference. As usual, I'll leave links in the description so you don't have to worry about it. You guys know where to find it. So just stay locked in and focus on this video so I can talk to you guys about it and you guys can understand completely. Now here's how this works. You guys can pick up a set of these sleeves for around $10 depending on how many of them you need for how many rollers you have on your garage door. And the way they work is pretty simple. They just slide over the shaft of your rollers in between the roller shaft and the hinge door in this location right here. And what that is going to do is that's going to reduce the metal on metal friction that creates that loud screeching and rolling noise you hear whenever you guys open and close your garage door. Now here's the kicker. You can install these things in two ways. The first way is to install it on your existing rollers so you don't have to take any rollers off. Now I will warn you guys that there are two things that you're going to have to consider if you guys decide to go this route. One of the things is you may have these little retention clips. If you look at the back of your roller here, you may have one of these things that's going to prevent you from sliding the sleeves on. But if you guys have these clips on your existing rollers, don't worry about them. With just a pair of pliers, you can hold on to them and kind of twist them and they'll come right off. The cool thing is that these sleeves come with a new set of clips. So once you put on the new sleeve, you can easily just slide on the new clips. The second issue that you may deal with whenever you're trying to install them over your existing hardware is that they may be a bit snug whenever you're trying to slide them on. If that's the case, I want you guys to use either a bit of WD-40 with silicone or lithium lubricant. Do not use regular WD-40. Either one of these will be fine and you should be able to get them on. Hey, listen guys, I know that you guys are finding value, so make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button to help me on my 100K journey and stay up to date with all things that I do DIY and all things that I cover. Now, once you guys have installed your sleeves, make sure that you reinstall the retention clips. And I know that these things can be a little bit difficult to install. So one trick that I like to use is to line it up with the shaft and slide either a socket or a socket adapter over it and just give it a little tap with a hammer to seat it and you guys should be good to go. The second alternative to installing these sleeves is to install them on new rollers. And all they do is slide over the shaft like this before you install them. If you guys want to see how to do that, I have a link here in my video where I show you how to replace all these rollers, because that is also another option that you guys have. The cool thing is the method that I like to use, it only takes you about 15, maybe 20 minutes, and you can replace every single one of your rollers with new sealed nylon bearing rollers like this one. Now listen, once you guys have all the sleeves installed, your garage door is going to be much quieter. And if it's still loud, I need you guys to check out my other videos where I show you guys how to lubricate your door and all the parts properly, or even better yet, to change the rollers if you really need to. Now make sure you guys leave a comment below if you guys were able to install these sleeves and how well it worked for you, or I guess didn't work for you, depending on your situation. Obviously, I love hearing your feedback. So once again, guys, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. And until next time, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.